So if your device is showing this SIM card not provisioned #MM2 error, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I'm Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel. So if you are also facing this issue, then watch this video till end. Let's start the video without any delay. So before moving further, let's know that why we are facing this error. What does it mean? So in simple words, it means that your SIM card is not activated to use, or your SIM card is suspended from the service provider. Basically, SIM is unable to connect with network. It may occur due to inactive SIM card since a long time, or your SIM card is new and not even registered. This may occur because your SIM card is not inserted properly. This may also occur during porting of a SIM card. Now let's come on to the solution. So first of all, check whether your SIM card is inserted properly or not. If not, then remove your SIM card, clean it and then insert it. Now enable and disable your aeroplane mode to refresh your network and restart your device. And if it doesn't work, then contact to your service provider and register your complaint to them. But if still it doesn't work, then change your device or get a new SIM card. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.